everyone. Welcome to Autom Packaging Machinery. Today, I'm going to test 20 grams potato chip on this ATM 420G, all in one packing machine with the 10 heads combination weigher. Okay, let me test the machine for you. Here is the touchscreen control system of the multi-head weigher. Okay, let me run this. The machine will start. Okay, let's stop the machine now. Okay, here's the finished batch. 干嘛？因为没料了。干嘛？
说结束语啊。刚刚那个抖了一下啊。
抖了一下。
说吧说。
So you have any customized packing solution, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. If you like this video, just subscribe me. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video today. Bye.